Nur-Sultan has recently opened the second private exhibitions of Syrym Musirep, a new look dedicated to the Year of Youth in Kazakhstan. The concept of the exhibition is modern Kazakh culture in the modern world. In total, about 30 artworks are presented at the event, including various paintings and sculptures that are named as perseverance and faith. The artist said that these characteristics are very much needed by the young generation today.
Бұл көрменің негізгі мақсаты бұл өнер шындықтан туындайды.
The main goal of my exhibition is to create the art from the truth. Art should be clear and true. The project is organized based on this topic. These are the works which will give a great impetus and a sense of art to the youth in order to give them a new direction and inspiration.
Өнердің бір шекпенін жаңа көзқарасқа, жаңа бағытқа қарай итермелеп көрсететіндей туындылар.
The young sculptor said that the best works can be made only when a rich spiritual world is made available. At the same time, the art master continues to be attentive to his works. The artist hopes that every art lover will understand his idea.